Very nice place, guys. See? Too much flowers, trees, hidden paradise of Bahrain. Nakakapagod pero solid. Naku. Ang gandang tignan sa sa mata. Fresh na fresh. Fresh air from, oh, see? And that's also. Check out, guys. That's too much. But I cannot reach. I'm too small. Wow. What kind of animals of this one? Goat? Very. Parang gutom na sila, guys. Oh. Hi, everyone. It's a sheep or a goat. I don't know. Hi. How are you all? Guess what is this, guys? I don't know. Parang takot sila sa amin. Tatlo, apat na. Sheep ba? It's almost 6 o'clock pero ang dami pa ding mga tao, guys. We're going out. It's open every day, sa? Every day from 8 o'clock to 5 o'clock. Even Friday, 8 o'clock to 5 o'clock, guys. Dapat agahan niyo yung pagpunta dito, 3 o'clock like this, or 2 o'clock better. Kasi isang oras, hindi kasya yung paglilibot dito, sobrang lawak.